Greetings everyone, this is Farooque, a student of advanced level Paragon Academy, Badin. Today we'll explore the spectacular power of imagination and its influences on creativity, problem solving, inventions, and innovations. So firstly we should define what's imagination. Imagination is basically the power of mind to create thoughts, images, and concepts which are beyond the limitation and constraints of reality and which are not present to our bodily sensations. There are a few types of imagination. The first one is creative imagination, which refers to the generation of new ideas which are not known to anyone else in the world. The second one is reproductive imagination, which is the generation of ideas by recalling our past memories and past experiences and to apply it in our present life. The third one is empathetic imagination, uh, which is self-explanatory by its name, that it will generate empathetic feelings for weaker people and those who need help. So there's a famous quotation by Sir Steve Harvey that if God has a plan for you and He wants you to know it, He simply puts it in your imagination. So let's take an example of the power of imagination from our daily world. So there was a poor lady, and she was very poor, and she was very struggling. She was struggling with her daily life, but she had a strong imagination for magic and fiction, science fiction. So she used to write books and novels, and she published them one day. And nowadays, the world knows her as a writer of marvelous and mysterious stories of Harry Potter. Yes, she was named J.K. Rowling. As far as it goes for invention, that how imagination helps in inventions. So we can take the example of Edison, that he had an imagination and the result is bulb today. It was the power of imagination of Ford that we have cars today, and it was the power of imagination of Wright brothers that they made world's first plane. And the world is full of such examples. Not only inventions, but innovations are also born out of imaginations. Suppose that there was a man who was talking with a phone with a wire. In old times, there were phones with wires, and he's talking to a friend with on telephone, and he wants to go out, and he's tried to go out, but he couldn't because the wire was hindrance. So he thought that if I could make a phone without wire. And it was his imagination, and today we have wireless mobiles, and nowadays smartphones. The world's renowned companies such as Apple and Google uh, they let their employee to think beyond the status quo, and the results are leading to projects, groundbreaking projects which are new to world. So one must be pondering that what is the usage of imagination for ourselves. So there's quotation of world's biggest mind, which is supposed to be biggest mind, of course, Sir Albert Einstein. He says that imagination is everything. Imagination is preview of life's upcoming attractions, which means that whatever you imagine today may come true in your future life. Which refers to that if we are sincere with our goals and we have a strong imagination for it, then we can clearly achieve our goals. And in addition to that, strong imagination also helps to reduce our fear and enhance our confidence. So as we are talking about enhancement, so one must be thinking that how to enhance our imagination power, because it's very important. So it's very simple that by reading books, by art, by music, and by keeping ourselves fit, because a healthy body has a healthy mind, a healthy brain. Uh, so fitness and mindfulness and meditation helps to clear our thoughts. That's why they are also important aspects. Uh, and Moreover, if we are thinking positively, and if our environment is positive, then our imagination will grow multiple times. So all in all, imagination is very powerful, and everything is imagination, and the imagination is everything. Everything that we see today, the captivating innovations and inventions and discoveries, these all are someone's strong imaginations. Uh, so we conclude our topic here. I want to pay special thanks to Sir Mohammad Tufail Chandio, founder of Paragon Academy. He is very intelligent, smart working, and hardworking personality of Badin. He equips the students with the best manners and upgraded and up-to-date knowledge and information of today's world. It is his visualization and imagination that is amplifying and enhancing the student skills and also the educational system of Badin. And thank you, dear viewers, for your attention and your time throughout this video. And stay tuned with the channel, the Paragon Academy, for more information and knowledgeable stuff and content.